What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, True Gains. My name's Joel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to create a Robinhood account so you guys can start making some money. Once again, this is a free trading platform. They do not charge. They are going to ask you for a bank account, but that's so you can transfer money in. So before we get started, make sure you guys go down to the description, like this video, subscribe, and click on the link that's going to direct you to here, because you're going to get a free stock and we could get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is click the sign up button, and then it's going to direct you to the second page. Right? Next, you're going to put in your first name, last name, your email address, and a password. I recommend you guys put a strong password because it is like a bank account, so you guys want to be safe and secure. Alright guys, so next it's going to take you to this page where it's going to verify your identity. You're going to want to put in your social because it is like a bank account. So there's a bunch of regulations and it protects your money, and you're going to want to enter your date of birth and your citizenship status. After this, you're going to hit continue, and you're going to be able to claim your one free stock worth up to $200, and you're going to log into your bank account, which is going to give you access to transfer money from your bank to Robinhood, and vice versa when you start making money from Robinhood to your bank account. Alright you guys, so once you guys finish setting that up, you guys are going to have X amount of money, whatever you guys decide to put in, and your list on this side is going to be empty. So what do you do next? You could go search up, let's search up a popular one. Let's search up Apple, for example. So once you guys search something up that you guys truly believe in and you guys really think that this company is going to keep growing, for example, I really believe in Apple, and I know and I feel like it's going to continue to grow. So you guys could buy a fractional share. You guys don't have to buy $459 off of it. If you guys have $100, you guys could buy one stock. For example, if I put in $100, I am going to buy 0.2175 of the stock. Just because it's a fractional share doesn't mean you guys aren't going to make money off of it. It's going to be the same amount, but just the fraction amount that you bought. So if you guys are going to put in $100, you guys are going to make X amount of money, and you guys are going to start making passive income. So that was a quick example. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to follow me on Instagram to ask me any questions. And I am going to continue making videos so you guys could see my different moves and what I'm going to be doing throughout this remaining year. I hope you guys have a good day.